Monitor your students' progress with the ExerciseBuddy Student Performance Tool. You can access student performance by signing in your account at ExerciseBuddy.com. Click the Student Performance tab and then select the student whose performance you want to view. Here you will see an overview of all the assessments your student has completed. You will notice that in this overview, only the most recent assessment date and score will appear for each assessment. If you would like to view all of the assessment data for a particular assessment, click Assessment History next to the assessment you would like to view. The title of the assessment history you are viewing will appear on top. If you need to update or edit any of the assessment data, click the pencil icon or the Edit button next to the assessment. You can edit the student's level of achievement, score, or add any notes. Click Save when you're done. You also have the option to print or download the assessment history. For both actions, select the print icon. Here you can either select the printer to print or select Save as PDF to download the data to your computer. Just title the assessment history and click Save. The assessment history will save to your computer. Close the assessment history by clicking the X on the assessment. You will return to the Student Performance overview. Here you also have the option to print or download the student performance.